Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new page in LibreOffice Writer. Now there are a couple of things that we can do really here. So if say for example we want to add another page to the last page, which is second page, we can head over here and just basically click enter and then click control enter. So now we have added another page. So now if we are going to take a look at this one right here, so we have page 1, we have 2, and then a new page that we added. Now, what if, say, for example, we are going to add a page here? So in the middle of chapter 1 and 2, we want to add a new page. So I can definitely do that. I'm going to head over here. I'm just going to make this bold, but it's not necessary. I'm going to head over here, click Control Enter, and you can see that now there is a break here. Now, if I hit Control Enter one more time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click the print preview this, you can see that page 1 is there, page 2 is a new page entirely blank, and then page 3 is where the previous or the chapter 2 is been added. And then if we're gonna head over to page 4, this is another page that we added earlier. So yeah, that's how you're going to add a new page in LibreOffice Writer.